We've seen a lot of challenges and hiccups during our installations, and that's just the nature of construction when you're doing retrofits in older buildings. You have to adjust the plan on the fly a lot of the time. For example, we've had building condition reports produced for buildings to tell us where asbestos is and isn't, and then where it's not supposed to be, you drill a hole and all of a sudden loose vermiculite starts pouring out. So you have to plug the hole, you have to stop, you have to adjust your plan and abate the space and go forward. We've had issues with electrical where, behind the wall or behind the panel, the wiring is the wrong gauge and it's not to code. So now we're talking about running new wiring. And these are all surprises, and this is just the nature of the business in construction. But we've gotten really good at anticipating what problems we might see because we've done so many buildings of the similar type that we can anticipate what we should look out for, and when stuff goes wrong or stuff goes sideways, we usually have a solution, ready for.
One of the things I've noticed is that you never leave the problem until it's solved. And it doesn't matter how long or how hard, you always stay with it until it's done. And I think that's a really big part of the message you put across Bondi, that we're in there to solve that problem for the landlord.